Pag-usapan natin yung issue kay Hidilyn Diaz para sa Fuel for Life na hindi daw nila nakuha. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Now, sabi ng Phoenix Petroleum Philippines doon sa akusasyon na hindi na-receive ni Hidilyn Diaz yung Free Fuel for Life, in March 2022, Miss Diaz received her second year of fuel donation from us. Upon acknowledging receipt, she was asked if she could share about the donation online. She declined, citing that she recently entered into a contract with another petroleum company. She soon ceased communicating with us. Bang! So, yung manager niya, actually yung manager niya yung nagpakalat nun. Yung manager niya, yung nagpakalat nung statement na drawing lang yung fuel donation. But, ang katotohanan doon is that, of course, di ba? Para ma-receive mo ang isang bagay doon sa tao, may kapalit yun. And ang kapalit ng Free Fuel for Life is, of course, i-endorse mo yung gasolinahan na nagbibigay sa'yo ng produkto, serbisyo, para naman both of you could actually gain from one another. Ang hirap naman nun. 'Di ba? Free fuel for life, tapos anong makukuha ko sa artista, sa personality, sa athlete? 'Di ba? Wala. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.